Hey y'all, welcome back to another travel vlog that is, because it is my baby's birthday.
41.
Last year we did New York City, but this year, we are in the beautiful island of St. Thomas. Look at this, you guys. Oh, just breathtaking. Yeah, so baby turning 41. Now you do something for me. So we are in the islands with it. Just checked into our hotel. We are staying at the Point Pleasant Resort, y'all. It is baby with the bag in the back. It is so nice, y'all. Let me show y'all. So let me start from the actual entrance. So this is the gate. We are in unit D38. The D is missing, but it's D38. And you come through. There is no other entrance but through the patio. So you come in, and this is the bedroom. Cute living room. Views all around. This place is, y'all, way better online. Each unit, I haven't been here, but it's the bathroom, little shower. Cute. Oh yeah. Ah! So each unit is individually owned, but you are on a resort. So these are oceanfront villas. Again, this is Point Pleasant Resort. Oh my goodness. Y'all. So yes, we are here. And of course, I'm gonna take y'all along. So let's go. Let's get this weekend started. It's another birthday with my baby. So we back at it again. The Lowe's. Yeah, I don't care where y'all go, get y'all own carbon monoxide alarm. Too many people dying in these other countries, wherever you are, country, territory. Get you one of these to save your life. Good morning, lowriders. It is our first full day in St. Thomas, July 20. What's the day? The 21st? 2023. For my baby birthday. 41. So, yeah, the agenda for today is go to Koki Beach and do some snorkeling, get some shots under the water, maybe do like the sea trek thing, and just get out on the beach. Right now we are having breakfast with a view. Amazing. Y'all know I'm all about the views and the vibes. So yes, that is the agenda for today. Again, I left my tripod at home. Y'all was new, so please bear with me. I'm propping y'all up on everything I can right now. So yeah, we're gonna get into this day. We're about to get dressed and get out of here. We got a little boozy breakfast cocktail, a little bit of rum. We like to drink whatever country that we're in. We like to drink that, I guess, native liquor. So yeah, we are in St. Thomas, so we're gonna drink some rum. It's pretty good too. And y'all, this island is not cheap. It's not cheap. Okay, this bottle of orange juice was what, $7.50. It ain't cheap, but nevertheless, we are here and we're about to have a ball. So let's get this day going. You ready, baby?
Yeah.
All right, you guys, we are about to head to the beach. This is the outfit of the day. Little swimming suit from Shein. No, swimming suit is from Mac Collection. Cover up is from Shein. Chanel little cinzellas. And my little Loewe dupe shades from Amazon. Ready. Just packing up all the electronics. So I got my GoPro, the phone, gimbal, and the drone. Gotta make sure I grab some sunscreen. Cause yeah. I'm ready. Alright, y'all, we are here to do the sea trek. Hi.
Yes, we're through.
So Marine World was closed. We got there too late, so we came down to Koki Beach to go and snorkel. I'm on my GoPro now, so I didn't want to get the phone wet. So hopefully the quality is good. Look at this. Pretty crowded out here though.
That's why when I started seeing, I was like, hold on. And I looked up and I seen you was way over there. I was like, damn, I'm way out here.
There's so many beautiful fish under there.
Can you hear?
Huh?
Can that hear you?
Yeah. It should.
Through the case?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I can hear the noises of the water when I watch it back.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That's cool. You still recording?
Yeah. Alright. Let's go back under. Snorkel. Right here? Oh yeah, that's cool. Birthday boy. Go, baby. Thank you. Cheers, baby. Quick shot before we head out for the night.
And I'm pouring a glass of wine or something.
Y'all, snorkeling was amazing. I thought I was gonna be scared to get in the water.
Yeah, it was cool.
Cause I was scared of fish. Okay, listen. But I got in there.
Scared of fish.
And Koki Beach is a vibe. Okay.
Well,
I love you, baby.
love you too, baby.
Maybe more. Happy birthday, daddy.
Ooh, yeah.
Woo! Oh. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh man, my camera is about to die.
It's crazy how
I only got 1 minute. Alright, so anyway, we're headed to Mims to go eat dinner. I'm gonna have to vlog off the GoPro on my phone because I can't find the charger for my camera battery. Don't ask. So yeah, gotta go. Bye.
Jerry's Nature Island. You hear my accent?
My first time trying conch, y'all. I know it's conch, but I be cracking up when the girls say conch.
Okay.
Am I gonna get off it with my hands? I don't care.
I almost think I've had it before. Favorite taste, familiar. Need a little meat, that's what you want.
Yeah, you kind of remind me of calamari.
Yeah.
Okay, it's decent. How's the crab dip?
It's good. It's a little chewy.
Okay. I don't know if I can eat it like ceviche, in a ceviche, but fried. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I can eat like an 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Huh? Good morning, guys. We are headed to St. John this morning. We are actually about to back the car into the car ferry. It's about a 30-minute ride over to St. John. She over there helping somebody. I think it's supposed to back home though. But yeah, that's the plan for the day. We'll be out there and finally get to shoot some drone footage and just kick back and have a good time. St. Thomas has been such a blast. What you think about St. Thomas so far, baby? It's really, really cool. And I really, really was slow about coming to the U.S. territories, but I'm so happy that we came. It's a really, really good time. On the car ferry. That's our car right there. This is so cool. Did they even check the cooler? Beautiful. ocean. Wow, look at that, y'all. Trump Bay and St. John. Huh?
Ready?
See, we can see up under here. Nothing yet. Over on that trying the local beer. I don't see how y'all drink beer. You like it? Ooh, thank you. Ooh, the sand is hot. Y'all, this trip has just really been relaxation and connecting with my husband and just chilling out. Wave, baby! It's so hot. I am so upset about the taco place not being open, but we really enjoy St. John. We think we're gonna come back here tomorrow and catch it. Beautiful, beautiful. So no passport needed. Today is my baby's official birthday, so we came to Lindbergh Bay to go to the inflatable water. We came to do some water sports, some jet skis and stuff. So yeah, Sunday fun day in St. Thomas. And they baby gonna get the snorkel gear. We have snorkeled at every beach in St. Thomas. And I was the one terrified of snorkeling. And now, what we say? I be snorkeling like a pro. And see, when I say I'm scared of fish, I'm scared of fish. Okay? Terrified. I was getting my ass under that water. Okay, I ain't buy this GoPro and snorkel gear for nothing. But y'all, every beach is just so beautiful. Just thanking God, so many blessings, being able to travel and see this. So blessed. So yeah, we're gonna do water sports here for a while, and then probably head back to Koki, because Koki is lit. So we probably go back to Koki and get something to eat and just chill out there, because they have the music, all the vibes of Coach. It's like hands down my favorite beach. If you want the vibes now, like turn up vibes. I need to go put my swim cap on. Like I'm just out here just bucking the system. Like, well, it's over for the swim cap. It just totally just ripped. I ripped it, put it on, and then it just split down my head. So I need to go to the car and get my Me and hubby just got our jet skis. We waiting. We are waiting. Cause it's a act bad summer. It's a pack bad summer. Twerking on a wave runner. Hey. What you step in it? So she gave us these to get in while we wait for our jet ski. Are you jealous? She heard me.
Yes. Nice. I like this.
Yeah, it's cool. I have to find some when you go on Amazon.
It's like a life suit.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's cool. People had this. Cause it's your birthday. Cause it's your birthday.
My birthday.
41.
Yeah.
And 41 looking good. That's my 41. Yeah, I'm surprised nobody doing the water. I would do the water part though, but now we're doing the jet ski. Thank you. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay.
I don't know why I brought these glasses. Man. I don't want to lose yours. Am I getting on this one? Alright, okay. Want me to wait till you show her how to do it? Okay.
Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas.
Back to our favorite beach. Down here.
Alright.
Happy birthday. Alright, I got my food. My rum punch. Y'all seen the rum punch, but I got jerk chicken, rice and peas, pantaloon salad, curry chicken.
I got the jerk.
Baby got what? Jerk?
Yeah.
He done ate his salad. He done ate everything.
Yeah.
Still at the beach.
That's right, man. Just wanna do my thing. I'm gonna chant and sing. Soon we'll be traveling the world, driving around in some foreign cars, chilling with some foreign broads, stacking up the money. Now we living like if you knew the things that I've been through.
We out here in these St. Thomas Club streets. We are at Jams. It's a few little spots. We follow people from the beach, from Cokie to here. The girl had told us to follow the cars, and that's what we
We're supposed to
did.
be going to Concrete, but I don't know.
Yeah, some place called Concrete, but we ended up at a place called, like I was saying before my storage got full of my phone, we ended up following cars from the beach that turned into a club, to another club. Yeah, so this is like a little multi-club thing. Just out here posting up to the music, they're making food and stuff. Real chill. We're probably gonna head out in a minute because we old, child.
41.
Guys, we are in St. John, headed to the Lime Mountain Tower, which is in the middle of the ocean. So we are catching the shuttle.
Go.
Y'all gonna have to like slide. Woo! Woo! This is tricky. Ooh, we made it.
Just Chipotle. And this is the short rib.
Johnny told us he found 80 kilos.
This one has corn. Yeah, this the rum rib. This is short rib. This is Chipotle.
So your drinks come in these containers. We on number 2. We on round 2. We're really in like the ocean, you guys. Like legit. So amazing.
We ran away.
Baby's got my shades in the ocean.
But our friends got it for me.
Some friends got it for us.
Friends. You sound like
My
Kate
baby
over
tried, but
here.
that water is salty.
Yeah, I couldn't see. You know my eyes ain't good. Already as it is.
If you ever come to St. John, you have to come to Line Out Taco Bar.
Different experience, man. Different vibe.
Different.
Met cool people out here.
That's what travel is about.
Yeah.
Experiences. That you don't get staying on that resort.
At all.
I ain't knocking it, but I'm just not.
Just not for me.
No.
Even though we're staying on a resort, but not staying on a resort.
Thank you.
Okay, cool.
You got 2.
Alrighty.
I got you. You give them one more of these,
Y'all gonna be looking for me swimming back to the boat. He got the pool right here for me.
Yeah, I know, right? Hey.
Alright, so y'all got 2, right?
Yes.
I grab one more. Thank you. Grab one more.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Alright.
Be careful.
gotta take shots.
For the Georgia crew.
Yes, exactly. Yep.
How about at least I drink here? And you don't drink it.
Hold on. Yep.
He said that you don't drink it.
You got it, babe. I'm finna say you finna get it. Yeah.
Guys, cheers, everybody.
Yes. Woo. Cheers. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
41.
41.
Yeah, so we done made us some friends at the Lime Out bar. They're also from Georgia. And they invited us back up to their house in St. John for a shot. Super cool people. Like, we had such a blast, y'all. Lime Out was so fun. The tacos. 10 out of 10. So good, okay? But yeah, we didn't plan to be in St. John this long, but you know, our friends are like, y'all have to come to our house and have not an afternoon cap. So yeah.
Went in a room.
It's our last full day, so we living it up, okay? We just going where the wind blows. We done had so many shots of Patron, like, they took care of us. It's so dope meeting cool people. Thank you.
We love you being here.
Should we go up here? Okay. All right.
Chateau
Margaux. Oh my gosh. Nice. It's beautiful.
We made it. That was a little like, isn't it a little sketchy?
Yeah. But you know what? It's quick to get up here though.
That's ours.
Oh my god. Y'all have the spot. Yes.
What you want?
Wow. You guys. Y'all did it up. Y'all did it up. Oh, wow. I know. I can't get over it.
Hey, what you think? Nice, huh?
Yes. It's nice. How did y'all find this?
They found it.
Okay.
We had one like here,
Yeah.
and then one we had was above the western, like closer to town.
Okay.
No longer available.
Okay.
And we're way happy with
Yeah.
a way better groove here.
Yes.
It's three families, so
Yeah. That's portable. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
yeah.
It's beautiful. I got you, Jason. Woo!